Hey everyone! Today, we're going to see how to use the 50-30-20 budgeting rule. This rule is a fantastic tool, especially when you're starting to figure out how to manage your money effectively. Let's get into it. So, just to quickly review, what exactly is the 50-30-20 rule? It's a budgeting technique where you split your income into three parts: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. Simple, right? But the real magic of this rule is in its practical application. To help you understand how to use this rule, let's put this into perspective with an example. First, start with your monthly income after taxes. Let's say your monthly after-tax income is $3,000. According to the 50-30-20 rule, you would allocate $1,500 to needs, $900 to wants, and $600 to savings or debt. So you would then create a budget based on this. To do this, first, begin with needs. Here we have for needs: rent, $800. Groceries, $300. Utilities, such as electricity, water, and internet, $200. Transportation, such as bus pass or gas, $100. Health insurance, $100. Now, these are just examples, and your budget might look different based on your own personal lifestyle and responsibilities. The key is to categorize your spending and stick to these proportions. Next, we do the same thing with wants. Dining out and social activities, $300. Subscription services like Netflix or Spotify, $50. Gym membership, $100. Shopping, such as clothes and gadgets, $200. Weekend trips or hobbies, $250. And with wants, it's essential to enjoy life without going overboard. Whether it's grabbing that special latte from your favorite coffee shop or buying tickets to a concert, these should be mindful expenditures that bring you joy, not financial stress. Finally, we do this with savings and debt payments. Emergency fund contribution, $200. Retirement savings, like a Roth IRA, $200. Credit card debt payment, $200. When it comes to savings, it's not just about stashing money away. It's about planning for the future and being prepared for unexpected expenses. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, a new laptop, or just building a safety net, it's about making your future a priority. Now, personalizing this rule is crucial. Your circumstances might require you to adjust these categories. For instance, if your rent is higher, you might need to cut back a bit on your wants or find ways to increase your income. After you have finished creating your 50-30-20 budget, keeping track of where your money is going is what you need to do next. I suggest you use budgeting tools that work for you: apps, spreadsheets, or a journal. Being aware of your spending habits can really help you stick to this budgeting rule. So, the 50-30-20 rule is more than just a budgeting formula. It's about creating a balanced financial life where you can meet your needs, enjoy your wants, and secure your future. Remember, this is all flexible. Adjust it to fit your life and your goals. Good luck!